Hi, and welcome to this week's Way Back Wednesday. This week we're going to be going back to the year 2010. For those of you new to our vlog or just finding us, we're new, we're just getting this started. Our main focus is Halloween prop building. We're trying to document the process really from the inspiration all the way through to completion and all the mistakes and things that happen along the way. So if you're a fan of Halloween or spooky, eerie things, or Disney, the Haunted Mansion, ghosts, tiki stuff, or even funny husky antics, I'm sure you'll find something interesting here. This is a work in progress. We're growing, we're expanding, we're improving every week, trying to get better at this. So please give us a like, follow us, comment on what you think you'd like us to go over and what you'd like to see. Different suggestions we're always looking for. On our Way Back Wednesday episodes, what we do is we're looking back at our home haunts from past years to see what we did, both the good and the bad, and see how far we've come and have some fun with that. So with that, let's get back to 2010. Okay, here we are. Here's our haunted clock, which I think was new this year, modeled after the clock in the Haunted Mansion. Not an exact replica, but made it similar. Here's a picture of the lawn. You can see a bunch of the guys we've seen before. Not really too many, I don't think, new additions here. Here's another wide shot here. You can see the mummy. He has hands now. Before he didn't have hands, so that was a change we made to see a lot more hands coming into play here. Here's the not the the hearse. You can see the driver here still has these crappy looking blue sweatpants on. You can see these ghosts here we have as the drivers here, or the guys pulling the hearse. Here's our skeletons playing cards. That's come a long way. This scene from this day. We got rid of these crappy skeletons, and we added some more props in here and made this look a lot better than it does at this point. And here, okay, this guy we've seen a few times now. He's hasn't really changed yet. He still has this crappy cardboard hand here. And here's this skeleton pirate. I mentioned on last year's that this is an actual like medical skeleton. It's like tremendously heavy. These are these ghosts that were pulling the hearse. I like these ghosts, but the rubber of the head, or the plastic of the head, gets very dried out and like flat, so I can't really use them anymore. There's a wide shot again. You can see the lighting's getting a little better here now. It's starting to look a little better overall. Here's another shot, and there you can see the Red Baron in the back there, and the bride. I don't know where the groom is in that picture. Here's another picture of the hearse at night. You can see the little skeleton I prop on top there. Okay, here's a shot of I think the woman here on the end is new. It's still kind of, it looks a little rough, but that's a new prop that year. Okay, here's the front. You can see these pillars. They're new with these with the busts on them. And the clock again. Here's a daytime shot. You can again see one of these ghost skeletons in the left here. Not skeletons, but the ghost props here that I was mentioning before. Another wide shot. You can see